We just got a tweet, and it's a good point as well, from Sahil Alvi, who says, would you please ask the guests about Raytheon, which got lost in the debate around Boeing, which is a fair point. It certainly did. We spent a lot of time on Boeing in that conversation. But, Jim, you own Raytheon, which was added to Goldman's conviction buy list along with Boeing. So what's your take, as our guest would like to know?
Yeah, and I'm sorry I didn't get into it, but it is very similar to Boeing in that it has a very good defense business, but it's being held back right now by the commercial jet business, right? They need to sell jet engines that go on commercial airliners. In the meantime, what's keeping them afloat and what I think is undervalued is the services contracts that they have on existing jets, on commercial jet engines, that is, on existing commercial airliners. So between that and the defense business, that kind of compensates for the fact that we're not building jet airliners at the pace we would like. Bottom line is this stock is now priced in very similarly to Boeing, that there's very little priced in as far as any pickup in commercial jet construction. So that's potential upside, but you may have to wait several months, couple of quarters for it to come to fruition.
All right. I appreciate that, Jim. Thank you. Thanks to our viewer, too, for pointing that out. Didn't want to just jump over that. Sarat, I got one for you. David in Colorado, what should I do with Delta Airlines? Should I just dump airlines in general and find a better sector?
No, I think Delta is the premier airline. That's the one I want to own. I've sold off my other exposure there. I think longer term, Delta's, they just raised more capital. They're going to survive through this, and I think they're going to come out much stronger and better, which they've already been one of the best in the industry.
Bryn, to you from Bruce down in Texas. What do you think of USA Momentum ETF MTUM?
Yeah, I'm a big investor in it. I love it. I think it's a great strategy. We buy it all the time. And just so the viewers know, what's really great about it is every 6 and 12 months they do a rebalance. So November they'll have another rebalance, and they look for companies that have positive 6 and 12 month price momentum. So right now it's very tech heavy, but if you get a secular shift or a shift in, let's say, value or financials start to outperform technically from a 6 and 12 month, then on that next rebalance, they'll go in. And so I think it's a really good core holding for investors to have companies with good technicals regardless of sector.